Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss some important multiple choice questions with answers from Unit 3 of Digital Image Processing. First question. The purpose of restoration is to gain option A degraded image, option B original image, option C pixels, option D coordinates. So the purpose of restoration is to gain our original image. Therefore, option B is the right answer. Next question. Degraded image is produced using degradation process and option A additive noise, option B destruction, option C pixels, option D coordinates. So degraded image is produced using degradation process and additive noise. So option A is the right answer. Next question. Degraded image is given in a option A frequency domain, option B time domain, option C spatial domain, option D plane. So degraded image is given in spatial domain. Option C is the right answer. Next question. In geometric mean filters, when alpha is equal to 1, then it works as option A notch filter, option B bandpass filter, option C Weiner filter, option D inverse filter. So when the alpha value is equal to 1, then it works as an inverse filter. So option D is the right answer. Next question. In Weiner filtering, it is assumed that noise and image are option A different, option B homogeneous, option C correlated, and option D uncorrelated. So in Weiner filtering, it is assumed that noise and the image are uncorrelated. Therefore, option D is the right answer. Next question. Filter that performs opposite to band reject filter is. So band reject is nothing but band stop filter. So opposite of band stop filter is band pass filter. Therefore option C is the right answer. Next question. Power spectra and noise of undegraded image must be known is the statement of option A notch filter, option B bandpass filter, option C Weiner filter, and option D max filter. So the power spectra and noise of undegraded image must be known in Weiner filter. Therefore option C is the right answer. Next question. Contraharmonic mean filter produces, 4 options are given. It produces restored image. Next question. One that is not type of mean filter. So option A arithmetic mean filter, it is a mean filter. Then geometric mean filter, it is also mean filter. Harmonic mean filter, it is also mean filter. But sequence mean filter is not an mean filter. Therefore option D is the right answer. Next question. Mean filters reduce noise using option A sharpening, option B blurring, option C restoration, option D acquisition. So mean filters reduce noise using blurring. So option B is the right answer. Next question. In geometric mean filter, when alpha is equal to 0, then it works as option A notch filter, option B bandpass filter, option C parametric Weiner filter, option D min filter. So if alpha value is equal to 0 means then it acts as parametric Weiner filter. Next question. To improve the speed of convergence, the algorithm used is option A Newton algorithm, option B Raphson, option C Weiner, and option D Newton-Raphson. So to improve the speed of convergence, we will use Newton-Raphson algorithm. Therefore option D is the right answer. Next question. The approach to restoration is option A inverse filtering, option B spike filtering, option C black filtering, option D ranking. So the approach to restoration is always inverse filtering. Therefore option A is the right answer. Next question. Square of standard deviation is called. Already we know this. Square of standard deviation is nothing but variance. So option A is the right answer. Next question. Approach that incorporates both degradation function and statistical noise in restoration is called Weiner. Therefore option C is the right answer. Next question. Spatial filtering is used in the presence of option A additive random noise, option B gamma noise, option C white noise, option D exponential noise. So spatial filtering is used in the presence of additive random noise. Option A is the right answer. Next question. Order statistic filters or filters whose responses is based on order statistic filter. So these filters responses are based on ranking. Therefore option C is the right answer. Next question. Minimum mean square error filter is also called option A square error filter, option B most square error filter, option C least square error filter, option D error filter. So minimum mean square error filter is also called as least square error filter. Option C is the right answer. Next question. Filter that replaces the pixel value with minimum values of intensity levels is called option A max filter, option B min filter, option C median filter, option D geometric mean filter. The correct answer is option B min filter. So here the pixel values are replaced with minimum values of intensity levels. Next question. Frequencies is predefined neighborhood or rejected by option A notch filter, option B band pass, option C high pass and option D max filter. The correct answer is option A notch filter. Next question. Filter that computes midpoint between min and max value is called. So midpoint between min and max value. So it is called as midpoint filter. Option B is the right answer. Next question. Function having both properties of additivity and homogeneity is called superposition. So option C is the right answer. Next question. Fourier spectrum of noises are constant and usually called option A black noise, option B white noise, option C red noise, option D green noise. So Fourier spectrum of noises are constant and is usually called as white noise. Option B is the right answer. Next question. Constrained least square filters does not implies best in option A Rayleigh noise, option B restoration, option C optimal restoration, option D degradation. The correct answer is optimal restoration. So option C is the right answer. Next question. Gaussian shape function has no, option A is ones, option B zeros, option C pixels, option D coordinates. So Gaussian shape function has no zeros. So option B is the right answer. I hope you all have understood the multiple choice questions we have discussed. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.